Good morning. With you today your math teacher, Mrs. Rabab Ahmed, for covering unit 3, lesson 1 in prep 2. Our lesson today is probability. Let's move to slide number 2 to know the meaning of probability. Probability is how likely something is happening in our life, and it will be expressed as a fraction, decimal, or percentage. Let's move to slide number 3 to know the meaning of the sample space, which symbolized by S, the set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. And now we will study the probability of event, for example, A. Probability of A equal a number of elements of A over the number of elements of all the sample space. So we can say that the probability of A equal N of A, number of A events, over number of S, number of a sample space. So we can say that for any event A, the probability A more than or equal 0 and less than or equal 1. Sum of all probabilities of all outcomes of a sample space equals 1. The probability that the event A doesn't occur is 1 minus probability of A. Let's move to slide number 4. Complete. Number 1, the probability of impossible event equal 0, but the probability of certain event equals 1, or sure event equals 1. Number 2, for any event A, we find that probability of A belongs to the interval 0 and 1 closed, that it will be between 0 and 1. Number 3, if a fair coin tossed once, then the probability of appearance ahead is 1 over 2. If the probability of occurrence an event is 5 over 8, then the probability of non-occurrence of this event is 1 minus 5 over 8 equals 3 over 8. Number 5, if the probability that a student succeed in an exam is 0.85, then the probability of the failure is 1 minus 0.85 equal 0.15. Let's move to slide number 5. A numbered card is selected randomly from set of similar cards number from 1 to 24. Find the probability of getting a card which carried the following. Number 1, multiple of 4. Multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So we have 6 over 24, which is implied to 1 over 4. Number 2, multiple of 6. Multiple of 6, 6, 12, 18, and 24, which are 4 numbers here over 24, which is implied to 1 over 6. It must be written in the simplest form. Number 3, a multiple of 4 and 6. Multiple of 4 and 6, 12 and 24. It will be 2 over 24. It will be simplified to 1 over 12. Let's move to slide number 6. The following tables show the evaluation of 50 students in 1 month. A student is selected randomly. What is the probability of getting a score of excellent, good, and fail, less than good? As we see in the table, we have excellent 6, very good 9, good 11, and pass 16. The probability of excellent 6 over 50, it will be 3 over 25. Good 11 over 50. Fail, to get the number of fail, which is 50 minus 42, it will be 8. 8 over 50, it will be simplified to 4 over 25. Less than good, the probability of less than good 16 and 8, 24 over 25. It will be 12 over 25. That's all, and thank you for your listening.